GiftWatch is an app that records presents that you've bought for people and also offers some gift ideas. Let's get started. This is CS50. First up, we have a fairly typical login screen. If I just log in with an account I made earlier, one you may recognize, and in we go. This brings us to a list of the user's friends. We can show or hide each of those friends' individual interests here. That will be useful later. Let's go and see if we can add a friend to our list. And here we are on the Add Friends screen, where you can add new friends, family, whatever, etc. to your database. Typing in a name, checking the birthday. We want to be accurate here. Yep, that's true. And as you can see, it's in date format, so you just need it's in British date format. Sorry for you Americans. So add some interest. There's placeholders there which suggest some things that you may be interested in, but Bart's not interested in them. He's interested in skateboarding and other things like comic books and possibly also cartoons. Yeah, let's put cartoons in there. So we can add those, and if we go back to the My Folk page, we can see that if we look at the interest list, there's the interest list in the new friends place. And let's try editing a friend's details. Here we have Bart Simpson, and let's change his name. New name, Bart Simsoy. Yeah, that's canonically accurate. We have to click the update button individually for all the things we want to update before we confirm the changes. We can also add and remove things from the interest list. Let's remove comic books from there. He's not interested in comic books anymore, and we'll add something else like video games and possibly another thing so we can see how it adds up before updates there. We should be able to delete that and put in mischief update, and you can see that it's got both of those interests added. Now all we need to do is click this button to confirm all the changes, and hopefully there we go. His name's changed and the interests have been deleted and added. What happens if we want to delete a friend? We go to the delete button on the edit friend page. Are you sure you want to permanently delete Bart Simpson and their gift history? For now, I don't think we will. We'll just return to the main homepage. Okay, next feature to look at is the gift history. You have not yet recorded any gifts. Let's add one. Let's say, what did we get Bart Simpson? We got him something that he would enjoy, so a skateboard. Let's record that we got him a skateboard. What was the price? £20. And record. If you can see, it confirms that you've recorded it without any comments, any date, because you cannot add them later. At this point, you can't actually, as you see, add it without a descriptor at all, without a name, because that wouldn't make any sense and you will be prevented from doing that. So let's add this new gift. Click on the add button there. Yep, there we go. And now if we go to the gift history page, we can see that it's added in £20 skateboard. We didn't add a date and we didn't add any comments for that, and we can go back to the home page. For the gift ideas section, let's just have a look at Marge Simpson's interests, housework, church and wine, and go and click the gift ideas button here. And your friend Marge Simpson's interested in, what this has done is take a random interest and get a random idea based on this interest, and this one doesn't really make much sense. You know, housework, Harridan, no. Let's get rid of that. Let's go down here and search using a totally new interest. Church, no, still not a great interest to search for gifts using, I don't think. So using a new interest, and what's our last interest? Wine. That might make a nice gift for somebody. Okay, so give me a suggested juice as a related idea. No, that doesn't sound very good, does it? So we can search using a new associated idea. Thusly, vino, no. And yeah, see, this is a more general one. So if we want to search for gift using that idea, we'll go, yep, search based on this idea. And all this does is open an eBay page with the idea and gift, and searches for a gift based on that idea. And it's found several, as you can see. And we can also see here, if we keep using new ideas, eventually we'll run out. I think it's 15 you get. We have run out of ideas. And if you use up the interests, we have run out of interests. If you want, you can reload the whole thing and start again. There we are. I'm Ailsa Weir, and this was CS50.